This dope bitch have me, they show me no things I've been trapping.
Hey yo, welcome back again to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times of the week. Now in today's video, I'll be walking you guys through this lo-fi RNB MIDI kit. This is the second one from the previous one. I had a previous one like a month ago or something. So this is the second. This is volume 2. This is more, more crazy before I make home. So before we actually go further, you know what to do, man. Just go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. Alright, without no further ado, let's jump straight into this video. It's not a long video, I just want to show you the MIDI kit. I don't want to waste your time, so let's jump straight into it. So I'll be using Nexus to demonstrate this. So I already have it loaded up. So I already have the first MIDI loaded up. So all I'm gonna do is just play it for you. So the BPMs are already set. You can see I wrote it on the side here. You can just check the BPM, so you don't have to really, go check or something. It's already written down for you. So let's get started. Sorry, I mean that's the first. Second MIDI, let's leave Earth. Lockdown, which is 120 BPM. This one is 87 BPM, so let me just change the BPM here. So, alright, love bed. The other one is 120 BPM, so let me just change it to 120. Alright. Shake, which is 100 BPM. Starvation, 125 BPM. Actually, I realized I didn't change the BPM, but you can change it later, you know. It doesn't have to be the same BPM. So let's go on. The other is Try Me Babe, is 100 BPM. So I don't really have to change the BPM. It's already here, so let me just place it. Alright, bro. Yeah, that's it for the MIDI kit. It's a crazy MIDI kit, to be honest, if I'm being honest. So I don't want to waste your time, so I'm gonna let you go ahead and play around with this thing and enjoy yourself. So make some nice music, stay safe, and enjoy yourself. So without no further ado, I'm gonna let you go ahead and do it.
The one who shakes me said I don't know. Yeah. Shit, I don't know.
Yeah, look.
Yeah.
Yeah, you wanna come up. I be on to the sun up. We never know, give up. They made me a killer.